Oy, parang mas close na kay Happy ah. They're down. Ang tawag naman ni Rapi kay Fudo. Fudo. Fudo! Do you remember Fudo?
Yeah.
Okay, kaya nga Fudo ngayon.
Hi, Daddy!
Enjoy the ride.
Relax lang.
Hi!
Ayaw pa. Ayaw pa. Gusto na pa.
Up and away!
Up and away, she. Dati na sumakay ako ng ferris sa probinsya. Sarap ang hangin. Bakit? Nagpapunta ako.
Hi!
Gina!
Hi! You're going down.
You're going down?
I saw a princess. Mommy looks so yellow.
Really?
A princess?
Bilis din siya.
Yeah, it looks so yellow.
Oh.
Eh, mabilis.
Oh.
Wow.
Come up here.
Yeah. Diyan ang sinakay ko si Nisel pagbaba na.
Hey!
Kasi bata.
Mommy, come on, just look down. See her?
Oh yeah, that's the princess.
Yes, that's the princess.
Let's take a picture of her later.
Yeah.
Wala kasi enchanted sa
We need to hurry up because
Mamaya
she will die away.
Yeah. Let's hurry up. Go take a picture of that princess in yellow.
Yeah.
I think she owns this castle. She owns the enchanted princess.
She leaves already. He was not. I heard.
There she is. She's walking out here.
So we need to follow her
Yeah.
to take a picture.
Ano kaya ano?
Now she's gone
May mga
already.
contest na lahat susubukan mo, mananalo ka. Kunwari, isa na yan, yung mga space shuttle, no?
We didn't
Pero
able to
malaking
take a
take, no?
picture.
Oh.
Yung parang fear factor, di ba? Ganon.
Hey!
Tapos na?
Ah!
Sarap siya. Lamig. Yan yata yung Rialto yung 40.
Where's the princess?
The princess
Dati libre lang yun,
didn't
may bayad. May bayad na naman.
walk away.
Dati libre lang yun, di ba? Malubahan tayo. Kinukapit ko yung ganyan siya. Naglag ako sa mga ganun eh, kasi
And
siya.
then we got